Hey, welcome back. Let's learn how to change the size of these icons. The CSS property font size changes the size of text, and it also changes the size of the Font Awesome icons. Here's an example of what that would look like. Here's our Font Awesome class with the font size property and a value of 24 pixels. Here are the ways you can set the font size property. You can use pixels if you need fine-grained control. M, or EM, is a multiplier based on the pixel size of a specific text element. You can also use percentages, but that's not as common. I've included a few resources for you to look at just in case you're interested in learning more. Let's move on to the demo. Here's the icons. First, we're going to change the size of the icons in this header. Here's our code, and here's our CSS from the previous lecture. Since we only want to touch the icons in the header, let's copy this selector, paste this, and font size is equal to 75px. This is going to be large, but let's see what it looks like. Run. Here are the icons before the change and after the change. Now that is really large, too large for the header. Let's scale it back to 40px. Now that's much better. It's larger than they were, but not too large. Let's modify the size of the cart. Here we are. Let's go down to the icons. And Fall Shopping Cart is the icon we want to target. Let's go ahead and go to this selector and uncomment it. And then let's add the font size property with a value of 150px. I chose 150 because up here you can see this is the global size for the icons within the content div. Let's see what that looks like. Let's click Run, before the change and after the change. See you in the next lecture.